Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all are fine. Stay safe, stay home. Okay, don't go outside. Learn more and welcome to the class of Hindi. Okay, now we are in Barakhadi. I told you so many times that Barakhadi will help you to read a word or sentence. Do you understand? That Barakhadi only helping you to write and read a word or a sentence. How? First you are learning the symbols. First letters, after then symbols. Symbols after Barakhadi. These Barakhadis are help you to say a word with a symbol. What is the symbol and sound and how to write. When anybody is saying, if anybody is dictating you, they are saying as a word, then you can write by using this Barakhadi. You understand? In future it will help you a lot. Understand, children? What you have to do? When I am explaining, you must have to write properly and neatly and practice also. They will ask you to write the Barakhadi. Which Barakhadi you have to write in exam? We don't know, but you have to practice. If you learn one Barakhadi, you can write all the Barakhadis. Same Barakhadis are same, only letter and symbols. Symbols also same and only changing was only the letter. Understand, children? Are you writing what we are giving the work? If you are posting, then only you will get a more stars. Okay, children? Now, here we finished the cha Barakhadi. See, here gha, cha after cha letter. What we have to do to write a cha? Here see, gha, cha, cha. Where you have to write? You see, if we are writing, if you written in 3 lines, see 1, 2, 3. If you use these 3, after that, if you have place, you can continue there. Or otherwise, you have to start from here. See, cha. Understand, children? See, cha Barakhadi. Okay, children? Touch up line. Always you have to touch up line and write with a pen. Write with pen. Use your pen. And if we write like this, if you are standing and sleeping and some other things you are doing and writing, your handwriting won't good. Understand, children? What you have to do while writing? You have to keep a pad and keep this book on that one and hold that book to that pad and write very neatly. Now I am going to explain cha Barakhadi. See, cha. How you have to write cha? See, cha. What is that? Cha. Now, cha Barakhadi. Now see here how you are writing cha. Some members you will confuse here. See, these 3 letters are similar to each other. Are you seeing here? But letters are different. No. If we see here, we are seeing here each one is similar to another one. No, children. Now, but its pronunciation is different and letters also different. You have to read this as a gha. This is ga and ha sound. This is cha and ha sound, cha. Okay, this is da and ha sound, dha. Okay, children, these are Mahapranaakshar. What are these? These 3 all Mahapranaakshar only. And if you are writing the Barakhadi, don't confuse. See, if this letter, if it is there, see, if we written 3 left side and adding this one and given full header means it is a gha. Okay? Then if we are writing and giving a 0, small circle and adding one next to small one and giving header means this is a cha. Okay? Then next, if we give the circle first only and adding here one and given the gap and written means that is a dha. Okay? That is a dha. You have to read as a dha. Okay? You won't have to confuse here. Okay, children? This is correct only. Okay, you have to read as a dha. Now we are in cha barakdi. Cha, first write left side, then you must have to give a small circle there, small zero, add one there. Okay, this becomes cha a ki matra cha, cha a ki matra cha. Then afterwards you have to give finger gap. Every time, each and every time while writing, after the margin you have to give finger gap and write very neatly. Now first ki matra, everybody is a problem with first ki matra. Before the letter you have to write a line and how to add a symbol. You have to give a curve to here and it will become cha choti e ki matra. Cha first ki matra chi. Okay children, afterwards next cha again. If you practice this type, it will come very easily. Then next cha, badi e ki matra chi. Cha badi e ki matra chi. 1/3 of the line only. Okay children. Now cha, first two ki matra chu. Cha first two ki matra chu. After writing here, if you have place, you can continue. Otherwise, you have to leave a line and start in next line. Okay, children? When you are starting in next line, what you have to do? You must have to always give finger gap after the margin. Understand, children? Now see, cha, second two ki matra, chu. The next after that, cha, ru ki matra, shru. Next, give finger gap and write very neatly. See, where I am given a ki matra, a curved line. Here one is there, no, a small one. There I added. Now cha a ki matra che. Cha I ki matra chai. Are you seeing here? Cha I ki matra chai. The next cha and afterwards o ki matra. Cha o ki matra cho. Okay. Afterwards, if you have place, you can continue there. Otherwise, you have to write in another line. Remember that when you are starting in another line, you have to give finger gap. Okay, children? Then cha, again cha. Then add one there and two curves on that one. Cha au ki matra chau. Okay. Then next cha am ki matra cham. Next cha aha ki matra chaha. Remember that this letter was cha. What is the letter? Cha. Cha a ki matra cha. Cha choti e ki matra chi. Cha badi e ki matra chi. First e or second e you can read as you understand. Cha first two ki matra chu. Cha second two ki matra chu. While saying no, cha chota u ki matra, cha choti badi u ki matra, it will problem no to pronounce. That's why I am saying first e, second e, and first two and second u. Cha ru ki matra shru. Then next cha a ki matra che. Cha a che che both sound. Cha I ki matra chai. Cha and I chai. Cha o ki matra cha and o sound cho. Cha au ki matra chau. Cha and au chau. Cha am ki matra cham. Cha aha ki matra chaha. These are Mahapranakshar words, no, letters, no. That's why you have to keep your energy to say this one, to pronounce this one. After writing this, you have to post your concerned class teacher group. Okay, children. After that, next what you have to do, you have to take out your printed copy. Now we are in page number 6. Now we are in page number 6. Now see here. In page number 6, they already given how you have to start. You have to take your pencil. Understand? You have to fill these 4 boxes first. Okay. You have to fill these 4 boxes. How to write oo? See, are you seeing here a small curve and like a tree, and afterwards a style it is given there, and afterwards given full header. It will finish now. Then follow like this and write very slowly and very neatly. Fill this all dotted letters and write here next 2 lines also. How you have to write that 3 lines? See, 3 blue lines only. They already explained in where you have to write this letter. Understand, children? You have to follow this and write in these 3 blue lines. Understand, children? And write this and post to your concerned class teacher group. Okay. Afterwards, you have to take diary. Take your diary. Understand, children? Take your diary and pencil. Okay. What is today's day? Thursday. Okay. What is today's day? Thursday. Thursday 17. Okay. Date was 17. Thursday. Date is 17. Okay. First Telugu column, then next Hindi line. Okay. Now write here. Read and practice. Why I am giving read and practice? To learn the Barakhadi properly. Understand, children? To learn the Barakhadi properly. Read and write. Barakhadi cha 2 times. Okay. Read and practice Barakhadi cha 2 times and practice in your rough book and post to your concerned class teacher group. Okay, children, to get more stars you have to write very neatly. Okay. Thank you.